Dad, can I talk to you?
Of course, Laura. Come here, sweetie. Sit near me.
Dad, today at school, my mind felt heavy.
Heavy?
Yes, English class was hard.
Oh, why? Tell me slowly, sweetie.
The teacher asked questions. My friends answered fast. I stayed quiet.
That happens, sweetie. It's okay.
Some friends laughed at me, Dad. I felt small inside.
I'm sorry, sweetie. That hurts.
I want to learn English, Dad, but sometimes I feel lost.
Feeling lost is okay. It means you are learning something new. Look at me, Laura.
Yes, Dad.
You are not slow. You are careful.
Is that okay, Dad?
Yes, sweetie, of course. Careful learners learn deeply.
Will you help me, Dad?
Always, sweetie. We will learn together. I will teach you present tense, past tense, and future tense. Let's start with something easy. Present tense.
Present?
Yes, sweetie. Things you do every day. Listen carefully. I wake up early. I drink water. I go to work.
I wake up early. I go to school.
Very good. Present tense formula is simple. Subject plus base verb.
I study English. I read books.
Perfect sentences. Now tell me about your day, sweetie.
I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Good.
I go to school. I study English. I come home.
Nice routine. Now let's practice some questions. Where do you go every day?
I go to school.
What do you study?
I study English.
Excellent.
Dad, the teacher also asked, "What did you do yesterday?"
That is past tense, sweetie.
Past?
Yes, things that already happened. Listen carefully. Yesterday, I woke up late. I missed the bus.
Yesterday, I studied English. I did my homework.
Very good. Easy past tense formula for you. Verb plus ed or special verb.
I played. I learned. I tried.
Well done, sweetie. Now tell me about yesterday.
Yesterday, I went to school. I felt tired. I studied English. I came home early.
Wow, that is a clear story. Now let's practice some questions. Did you feel tired yesterday?
Yes, I did.
Did you study English?
Yes, I did.
Perfect answers.
Dad, then the teacher asked, "What will you do tomorrow?"
That is future tense.
Future?
Yes, things that will happen. We use one word, will.
Will?
Formula to remember future tense. Subject plus will plus base verb.
I will study. I will practice English.
Beautiful sentences. Now tell me about tomorrow, sweetie.
Tomorrow, I will wake up early. I will go to school. I will listen carefully.
Nice plan. And next year?
I will learn English better. I will speak with confidence.
Those are strong goals.
Future tense feels hopeful, Dad.
Because it talks about growth, sweetie. Let's play a game.
A game?
Yes, English game. Today,
Present tense.
yesterday,
Past tense.
tomorrow.
Future tense.
Perfect.
English feels friendly now.
Now, say a short paragraph, sweetie.
I study English every day. Yesterday, I practiced a lot. Tomorrow, I will try again.
That is wonderful English.
I did not know I could do this.
You always could, my little champion. Now, let's revise slowly.
Present tense is for every day.
Good.
Past tense is for yesterday.
Amazing.
Future tense is for tomorrow.
Perfect.
I study, I studied, I will study.
Excellent revision.
Dad, I feel different now.
How?
I feel calm, I feel confident, and I understand present tense, past tense, and future tense.
That is learning, sweetie.
English is not scary anymore, Dad. You taught me easy formula to remember the tenses.
I am so happy you understand it.
I feel confident, Dad.
Amazing. I am very proud of you, sweetie.
I will keep learning, step by step.
That is the best promise.
Thank you, Dad.
Always, Lara. You are doing great.